Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming rights. Find the video owner, note the license, and record timestamps. Do that first because permissions shape every choice you'll make. Next, download or request the highest quality clip that matches your project specs, resolution, frame rate, and codec, so edits don't create artifacts. Once done, document the purpose, commentary, criticism, or transformation. That matters for fair use analysis, and whether you must seek permission or provide attribution, so don't skip it. You now edit with intent, trim aggressively to the exact portions you need, and ensure each clip serves your new message. Add transformation, voiceover, subtitles, new visuals, or recontextualization, because courts and platforms look for added meaning. While editing, maintain meticulous records, timestamps, project files, and any permission correspondence. Make sure audio levels and codecs match, and export a working file that preserves quality. If the owner granted use, embed or note the license so monetization and claims are clear. You publish with full transparency. Add credits, timestamps, and license details in the description so viewers and algorithms see your basis for reuse. If a copyright claim appears, respond quickly. Submit a dispute with your transformation explanation and proof of permission when applicable. If things go wrong and a strike persists, consider removing the clip or replacing it with a licensed alternative. As a troubleshooting tip, always keep original master files and permissions for at least 2 years to support any appeals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.